prestigious West Kelowna Estates welcomes you. Located in a quiet neighborhood, you are still 10 minutes away from downtown of Kelowna. You are very close to all the paths and walking trails. You are very close to the beautiful provincial parks and gorgeous beaches. Absolutely stunning location, absolutely gorgeous views, and amazing family home welcomes you. This prestigious West Kelowna Estate home offers privacy and stunning views of Okanagan Lake and City of Kelowna skyline. The very private backyard is perfect for outdoor gatherings and relaxation. Option for the pool. Enjoy your own cherries, apples, saskatoon berries of your own unsprayed trees. An irrigation system installed for easy lawn care. The elegant contemporary look of the house with character, split-level design, and vaulted ceilings create a luxurious and welcoming atmosphere. Custom draperies adorn the windows throughout the house, adding a touch of elegance. Hardwood floor throughout keeps your home free of allergies. No pet, no smoke home. Huge floor-to-ceiling windows allows you to enjoy the lights of Kelowna sparkling at night and breathtaking sunrises in the morning. Kitchen equipped with top-notch stainless steel appliances and new warm light fixtures. Here is the dining area where you can enjoy indoor or maybe outdoor dining any time of the year. Upper level offers master bedroom with breathtaking view of the lake, his and hers closet, and ensuite. Spacious second bedroom and full bath is nearby. Lower level offers family room currently used as a home office, ideal for those who works from home. Third bedroom, full bath, and laundry room, central AC for added comfort. Driveway with RV or boat parking, double oversized garage providing ample space for your convenience. Family oriented and safe, this community is surrounded by provincial parks, world best wineries, and numerous fruit stands. Tons of amenities around. Shoppers Drug Mart, movie theater, banks, Tim Hortons, and of course, elementary school is just down the road. Rose Valley will not disappoint you. If you want to see it in real life, definitely give me a call. My phone number is on the screen. Yo, Irina Mirzewski, realtor since 2006.